dear teachers and my dear student friends, मुझे इस महफिल में आके बहुत बड़ी खुशी हो रही है. For the first time, I am part of the gathering which is organized by this wonderful school. पहली बार congratulations and compliments to the parents. It is because you have spared time to be part of this very important event of what we call Open Day. Congratulations to the students also. I think you have classes right from 5th standard to 10th standard, right? 6th standard, okay. Today we all have gathered here. हम लोग यहाँ पे जमा हैं for the very simple reason that we want to assess, we want to know, and we want to communicate to the parents about the child's progress. This exercise is very important in any institution. Normally क्या होता है कि students come to schools, parents send them to schools, and sometimes due to their own busy work they forget. And in between the exams आते हैं and students perform, and the performance of the students is communicated to the parents through maybe progress reports, and the parents have a look at it, and maybe momentarily they may like the performance, or if the performance is not good they may slightly be unhappy, and after that everything comes to normal, the routine फिर शुरू होता है. So what is more important is we have basically 3 components. हमारे यहाँ 3 components होते हैं टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस के. स्कूल लेवल में, कॉलेज लेवल में 2 कंपोनेंट होते हैं. पहला जो कंपोनेंट है स्टूडेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट. दूसरा जो है टीचर. द थर्ड इज पेरेंट. Equal contribution of these 3 components is responsible for the growth of a student. अगर कहाँ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो गया, फॉर इंस्टेंस टीचर्स में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो गया, पेरेंट्स बहुत केयरिंग हैं, स्टूडेंट्स अच्छे हैं, देन द आउटकम इज़ नॉट गुड. Likewise, if there is compromise by the parents, negligence, and then teachers are putting effort, students are putting effort, again the outcome is not as expected. That is why all these 3 components to work together. इन तीनों को काम करना है, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स. इसीलिए we have invited you to have a look at the performance of your student, have interaction with teachers one-to-one, discuss with teachers, and come to know where exactly the student is. What is the reason for not doing well? What could be the reasons? I tell you one thing. Today I just entered into the corridors. I was about to come, यहाँ पे ऊपर आ रहे थे, and then there was a student standing there. मैं उसे पूछा, what's your name? I could not remember his name. He is 10th standard B section student. Then I asked him, what's your favorite subject? In minority institutions, normally favorite subjects क्या होता है? Maybe high schools में mathematics, physics, chemistry. That boy told me Kannada language. I was astonished. It was a pleasant surprise for me कि लड़का is telling in ABHS that my favorite subject is Kannada. मेरा एक perception था यहाँ पे कि बच्चों को कन्नड़ा सीखने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है. I had this perception, but I found a very pleasant surprise. That means there are students who like these subjects. There are students who are passionate about such subjects like Kannada in schools like ABHS. It's really wonderful. It's very welcome change that we expect from students. Why one should learn Kannada, that is a different story. When I am going to interact with the students, I am going to open up and tell the importance of the language Kannada. That is a different matter altogether. Today, you have come as parents, आप आए हैं. We should understand that every child is a genius. Every student is capable. हर बच्चा capable है. Every student. If that genius and that capability is not reflecting in terms of marks, that means there is something wrong. There is something wrong in the system. System में कुछ ठीक नहीं है. मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे, बच्चे के नंबर्स नहीं आ रहे, क्यों नहीं आ रहे? मैथमेटिक्स में पुअर है, क्यों पुअर है? इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटेलेक्चुअल एबिलिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ बिकॉज समथिंग इज नॉट प्रॉपर, द होल प्रोसेस इज नॉट प्रॉपर एंड वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोगों को अंडरस्टैंड करना है। इसीलिए पेरेंट्स शुड नो, like why this boy is very good in mathematics, this boy is very good in science. It's okay if you are very ordinary in mathematics, it's okay if you are very ordinary in science. Life is not only about science and mathematics, my dear students. Every student has passion. Some of the students may have passion for creativity, some of students may have passion for writing, some of students may have passion for elocution. So let us nurture, let us nourish and cherish these what we call creativity. That's very important. That's why the role of the parents is very important. We should often come to the school, interact with the school, interact with the authorities, and try to know what is the progress of the student. It's not only to have a look at the progress or marks card and then tell to the student momentarily or talk to the parents over phone. No, you should spend time with teachers, spend time with your children, because you need to spend time, especially mother should spend time with children, because it is very important for you to spend time with children. You should understand where exactly the student is, what are his likings, what are his inclinations. These are very important for parents. And one more thing, Maulana Sahab was talking about giving respect to the teachers. This is something which is very important, my dear students. If you give respect to your teachers, because I have been teaching since last 28 साल से मैं teach कर रहा हूँ, and in front of my own eyes I have seen students who gave respect to the teachers, even if they had very very humble academic background. उनकी पढ़ाई उतनी ठीक नहीं थी, but उनके अखलाक और किरदार, because of giving respect to the teachers, now they are in a very good position. How we can do this? You should, as parents, respect the teachers first. Try to give importance to the respect to the teachers. Whenever your children talk disrespectful to the teachers in front of you, आपको है ना बहुत गुस्सा होना है. You have to show that resentment. You have to show unhappiness. No, you are not supposed to talk in singular to your teacher. Never stop that. Ask the student, you give respect to your teacher, so that in turn you will be respected in future. That is something which is very important. That is what our religion also teaches us. So what is more important for students and for the learners are 3 letters. मैं इन 3 letters के बारे में अब बात करूँगा. Listen to me very carefully. ये 3 letters है. पहला जो है A, then S और K. ये 3 लेटर्स है. आई विल गो इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. ये तीनों मिला के क्या होता है? ASK, आस्क. आस्क मतलब पूछना. लेट्स गो इन द रिवर्स ऑर्डर. पहले इसको K लेंगे. व्हाट इज K? K इज नॉलेज. एंड पेरेंट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आजकल के ज़माने में पेरेंट्स हैव द इम्प्रेशन, इवन स्टूडेंट्स में ऑल्सो हैव द इम्प्रेशन दैट द नॉलेज इज अवेलेबल बाय द क्लिक ऑफ द बटन. आप बटन क्लिक करेंगे मोबाइल पे, गूगल करेंगे कंप्यूटर पे, आपको नॉलेज मिल जाएगा. नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नो माय डियर पेरेंट्स, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. नॉलेज इज हिडन इनसाइड. नॉलेज हैज़ टू बी ब्रॉट आउट. द थिंग दैट यू गेट इन कंप्यूटर, द थिंग दैट यू गेट इन ऑन द स्क्रीन्स ऑफ योर मोबाइल इज नॉट नॉलेज, इट इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन. आपको इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज में फ़र्क करना है. Information is available. There is plenty of information. Information. This is an era of information. इतना information है कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे पहले. हर चीज़ के बारे में, everything. अमीर मौलाना साहब बोलते रहते हमेशा जुमे के खुतबे में information के बारे में. He talks about technology. Information इतना ज़्यादा है. But how to convert that information into knowledge? That is because of your teachers who are sitting here, who are sitting in front of you. Just put a round of applause to your teachers first. तालियां मारो. Okay, quiet please. Thank you for the appreciation. Thank you, my dear students, for the appreciation, because this is appreciation which is very important. You have to appreciate your teacher. The teacher's ability increases. उनको सिखाने का जो potential है that increases when you respect and you encourage your teachers. Applause like this will definitely be of great help and great motivation source to the teachers. So I was talking about knowledge. Knowledge जो है it is not available in the Google. It is only the information that is available. You have to process it. इसको process करना पड़ेगा. You have to curate it. You have to put it to test. उसको छाटना है information को and convert that information into knowledge. So knowledge is very important. Without knowledge, nothing moves. As students, it is your priority, first priority, to acquire knowledge through your teachers, through anybody for that matter. So first is knowledge. Next, ASS stands for what, my dear students? Any guesses? Skills. Skills, हुनर. It's not enough if you have knowledge. आपको skillful होना है. You need lot of different skills to be successful in your education life and then later in your professional life. What kind of skills you're talking about? कैसे skills होते हैं? We call one domain skill जो आप पढ़ाई करते हैं, physics, chemistry, mathematics, जो भी पढ़ते हैं इसको domain skill कहते हैं. Then another skill is your soft skills or your communication skills. The way you speak, the way you write, the way you communicate. These skills are also equally important. So what is more important for you is to acquire skills. Communication skills, soft skills कहते हैं इसको. जिस तरीके से आप मुखातिब होंगे, the way you behave with your elders, the way you behave with your parents, with your teachers, with your friends, the way you behave in the society. These skills are also very important. And there are life skills. Life skills, क्या है life skills? You know life skills. I was just reading one article. 12 साल के बच्चे को क्या क्या करनी आनी है. What else? A student should be able to swim. Life skill. Swimming. Should be able to cook to little extent. Should be able to ride cycle. Should be able to catch bus on his own. Maybe in cities. Nowadays you don't do that. So these are life skills. Life skills are very important. And to manage your siblings when your parents are away. These are life skills. ये भी बहुत important है because these skills also will make you, responsible. Will prepare you for your future journey. So skills are very important. Knowledge is very important. You have different skills. Acquire them. You give importance to the language, the medium of instruction. आपको मालूम है आपका medium of instruction English है. Fortunately or unfortunately, इसका जो effect है globally बहुत ज़्यादा है. One who speaks good English has every chance of getting a good employment. Has every chance. Keeping aside the skills and knowledge, the way you communicate, आपकी अंग्रेजी बोलने का अंदाज इससे है नहीं. You have every chance. So parents give importance to this also. Skills and knowledge. और जो तीसरा आता है, इन दोनों से बहुत ज़्यादा important है, वो है A. You know what is A? A stands for attitude. एटीट्यूड जो है बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आजकल एटीट्यूड को गलत समझा गया है. कहते हैं कि उसको ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड है, इसको ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? मतलब उसको ज़्यादा है नहीं, एरोगेंसी है, इसको ज़्यादा एरोगेंसी है. एरोगेंट है तो एटीट्यूड है बोलते हैं. नो, एटीट्यूड इज़ योर बिहेवियर. एटीट्यूड का 2 एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बताता हूँ. देन आई विल कंक्लूड माई टॉक. देन देयर आर लेटर अदर स्पीकर्स हु आर गोइंग टू स्पीक. देयर वर 2 स्कूल बडीज़. 2 फ्रेंड्स थे. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एक तकरीबन 30 साल पहले की बात है. एक का नाम था सचिन तेंदुलकर और एक का नाम था विनोद कांबली. ये 2 स्कूल बडीज़ थे. दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे. गहरी दोस्ती थी इन दोनों में. दोनों के स्किल्स एज फार एज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट वेर इक्वली गुड. दोनों का नॉलेज क्रिकेट के बारे में इक्वली गुड था. बोथ वे ट्रेन्ड अंडर द कोच, द ग्रेट कोच अचरेकर सर. दोनों दे वेंट ऑन टू स्कोर, जब आपकी उम्र के थे 9th और 10th, स्कोर मोर देन 500 पार्टनरशिप इन क्रिकेट. आप सबको क्रिकेट इंटरेस्ट है नहीं? आज मैच किसकी है? इंडिया पाकिस्तान. यस, ओके. सो दोनों They went on to score more than 500 runs, and then both were selected for national team. It's a great honor, isn't it, to represent country. अपने देश के लिए खेलना सबसे बड़ा ये क्या है, बड़ी इज्जत है. Both. And Sachin Tendulkar, little bit he was struggling in the beginning, but Vinod Kambli का जो starting का career है took off like flight. First century against England, second double century against England. All cricket pundits, they believed that the skill and knowledge of this Vinod Kambli सचिन तेंदुलकर से कहीं ज़्यादा है, और दिख रहा था उस ज़माने में. तो क्या हो गया? आज क्या है सचिन तेंदुलकर, आज कहाँ है विनोद कांबली? You know why? It is because of the kind of attitude these two gentlemen had. Vinod Kambli had a different, unwanted attitude as far as cricket was concerned. Tendulkar had real attitude as far as cricket was concerned. Tendulkar, जब आपके ज़माने में, when he was of your age, he used to sleep along with his bat. Bat को बाजू रख के सोते, because bat was book for him. For you, books are bat. You understand? So he was sleeping, and morning he used to get up early. And he used to go to Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. Wankhede Stadium बोल के वो मुंबई में है, वहाँ जाके घंटों प्रैक्टिस करते थे. That लगन, वो श्रद्धा, that involvement, that dedication, that passion was not there in Vinod Kambli. Vinod Kambli, he became very successful and he could not digest the success. आपको सक्सेस को डाइजेस्ट, सक्सेस को हजम करना है. बहुत से लोग सक्सेस हजम नहीं करते. शोहरत और रुतबा मिल जाता है, then they start behaving in a very different, unwanted manner. Like what has happened with Vinod Kambli. He had, issues with his captain, he had issues with the management, then he started boozing, and then all sorts of unwanted things Vinod Kambli did. And then he disappeared from cricket. Seeing, my dear students, both friends, both had knowledge, both had skill, but both had different kind of attitude. So this is something which is very, very important for students to hold the right kind of attitude. आप लोगों को सही attitude मालूम होना चाहिए. You have to understand. That's why role of teachers, role of parents is very important. अपने बच्चे को सही attitude बताओ आप. What is the right kind of attitude? To respect teachers, to study, to do the work, have collaborative effort. अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते आजकल के ज़माने में. लीडरशिप का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है आजकल के ज़माने में ख़त्म हो रहा है. लीडरशिप ख़त्म हो रही है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट टीम वर्क. व्हेन यू गो टू कॉर्पोरेट यू सी इम्पोर्टेंस गिवन टू द टीम वर्क. लीडरशिप का इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत घट गया है. लीडरशिप इज़ रिप्लेस्ड बाय टीम वर्क. सो आप लोगों को कोलैबोरेटिव बनना है. फ्रेंड्स मिल के आपको स्टडी करना है. यू हैव टू डेवलप टीम्स, डेवलप टीम स्पिरिट. And then parents always look into the progress. You just keep a watch on your ward, keep a watch on your child, whether to whom he is meeting, whether he is coming back on time, whether the student is studying correctly. Interact with the parents, that's very important. Interact with the teachers. Have interaction with the teachers on regular basis. It's not that once in 6 months you come and then just take the note, then it's over. No, it's not like that. Have interaction on regular basis so that if the student is doing something wrong, you can have corrective measures. आपको corrective measures ले सकते हैं. You can correct the student. So this is something which is very important, and I don't want to take much of the time. I just want to tell you that congratulations once again to the parents, because you have come in great number. That shows your concern for your children. That shows your attitude, right kind of attitude. Pass on the same attitude to your children also. And the students who have been very patient, I am very sure that you might have understood something about what is called knowledge, skills and attitude. Give importance to all these things, and then I may have one more session if possible, if time permits, or if your HM gives you an opportunity to interact with the student. I want to interact with one-to-one, and I want to know your passions. I want to know your inclination, your likings, so that you students as students you can go, as individuals you can go, and you can bring name, fame to all your stakeholders, my dear students. आपके stakeholders कौन है? Who are stakeholders? Stakeholders for your success are first your parents. First priority is your parents. Second is your siblings, bhai, behan. Then your teachers. Teachers are also stakeholders. Then your relatives. Then your friends. Then your society. So when you do an iota of good work, all the stakeholders, उनकी जो their respect will increase. And if you do an iota of wrong thing, all your stakeholders' respect will be put to, a very bad condition. So this is what I want to say. Thank you, Secretary Sahab. Thank you, President Sahab, Principal, and all the dignitaries. Thank you, parents, for being here. And I wish to see you again, have an interaction with you, so that we can have a wonderful teaching learning process in this wonderful and glorious institution. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.